This semi-truck driver swerved every time another car tried to overtake him on this road in Mexico. Watch till the end to see him get his hard-earned karma. When a bigger semi-truck got tired of this bullying and tried to overtake him, the childish driver swerved in front to block it. He tried to sideswipe the semi-truck several times, nearly causing a collision. Moments later, a genius SUV driver baited the semi on a 3-lane road and hit the brakes at the perfect moment. The semi lost control and flipped over on the roadside. A hard-won success.